The Tesla Model S is a fully electric vehicle, powered entirely by its advanced high-voltage lithium-ion battery pack. Yet despite this cutting-edge technology, every Model S contains a traditional 12-volt auxiliary battery. This small battery serves a critical purpose in powering the car's low-voltage electrical systems. The 12-volt battery powers essential components that keep your Tesla running smoothly. These include the large infotainment touchscreen for navigation and entertainment, the electronic door locks and windows, interior and exterior lighting systems, and the starter circuitry that helps with vehicle startup. You might wonder why Tesla, a leader in electric vehicle technology, still relies on this seemingly outdated 12-volt battery. The answer lies in efficiency and safety. The main high-voltage battery is designed for propulsion and is far too powerful for low-voltage accessories. Using a separate 12-volt system prevents unnecessary drain on the main battery and provides stable power for these essential functions without the risk of electrical issues. This auxiliary battery is typically located in the front compartment or frunk of the Model S. In upcoming sections, we'll explore exactly how to locate this battery, the tools needed for replacement, and the step-by-step process to ensure safe and proper installation. The 12-volt battery in the Tesla Model S is located under the frunk, which is the front trunk liner. Open the frunk and you'll find a plastic cover that needs to be removed. This gives you access to the battery compartment. This placement is pretty genius because it makes it easy for you, the DIer, to easily access. No need to visit the mechanic. We will cover accessing and removing this plastic cover. Before starting the 12-volt battery replacement, gather the necessary tools. A 10mm wrench or socket set for disconnecting the battery cables, along with gloves and eye protection for safety. Safety is paramount when working with batteries. Ensure the vehicle is completely off and the keys are removed to prevent any electrical issues. Always wear protective gear and avoid creating sparks near the battery to prevent potential hazards. Tesla strongly advises against any system modifications that could void your warranty. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is completely off and the keys are removed. Open the frunk and locate the 12-volt battery under the plastic liner. First, disconnect the negative black cable using a 10mm wrench. This prevents electrical shorts. Then disconnect the positive red cable. Always disconnect negative first and connect positive first when reassembling. Next, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp. This is usually a bolt or strap that secures the battery in place. Use the appropriate tool to loosen it completely. Carefully lift out the old battery. Note its orientation for when installing the new one. The battery weighs between 10 to 15 pounds, so lift with both hands and avoid sudden movements. Finally, inspect the battery tray and cables for any corrosion. Clean any corrosion with a mixture of baking soda and water if needed. Check for damage to the cables or terminals. Begin by placing the new battery into the tray. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring correct polarity with the positive terminal aligned with red and negative with black. Secure the battery with the hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Reconnect the cables in reverse order, positive red cable first. Then reconnect the negative black cable. Make sure the connections are tight to prevent electrical issues. Once the battery is securely installed and cables reconnected, replace the plastic frunk liner. Snap it back into place and ensure all clips are secure to prevent any rattles or loose parts. Now, close the frunk completely. To test the system, start the vehicle by pressing the brake pedal and the power button on the center console. Check that the infotainment screen lights up and responds, door locks engage when pressed, and all lights, including headlights and interior lights, work correctly. These tests confirm the 12-volt battery installation was successful. If any issues persist, such as dim screens or non-responsive locks, use Tesla's mobile app for initial diagnostics or schedule a visit to a Tesla service center for expert help. If the car doesn't start after the replacement, double-check the cable connections and ensure the battery is fully seated. Dimming headlights often indicate a failing 12-volt battery. Infotainment glitches often indicate a failing 12-volt battery. Be aware of potential parasitic drain issues that can shorten battery life. If problems persist after replacing the battery, seek professional assistance. The trend in electric vehicles is moving towards more integrated and efficient 12-volt systems. As EVs evolve, traditional components are being redesigned for better performance and longevity. Lithium ion 12-volt batteries are becoming the standard in modern EVs, including Tesla models. These batteries offer longer lifespans of up to 8 to 10 years compared to 3 to 5 years for older types, and provide better performance with lighter weight and more consistent power delivery. Looking ahead to 2030, some EV models may adopt fully integrated 48-volt systems. This higher voltage architecture improves efficiency and could potentially eliminate the need for traditional 12-volt batteries entirely, as seen in advanced vehicle designs. Another emerging technology is the use of supercapacitors, which can provide instant power bursts and store energy differently from traditional batteries. This could further reduce or replace 12-volt battery needs in future Tesla models. Stay informed on these advancements to keep your Tesla Model S running smoothly. As battery technology evolves, understanding these trends will help you maintain your vehicle effectively.